Good morning, YouTube. This is 1967 Volkswagen, modified from a 1300 to a 1600. It's a dual port, but now it's an air compressor. Inside there's a new camshaft, which makes the back two pistons pump as 2-cycle, and the front two pistons are the same 4-cycle. You see right here, you got a spark plug there in the front cylinder. The back cylinder, no spark plug. In the back cylinder, you have this air intake. There's a filter inside of there. The other side, same thing. Back here, you have the exhaust. Out of that back cylinder, it goes to the tank, and there's your compressed air. Up here, ignition, oil pressure, battery light, alternator, oil light, alternator light, throttle. Get your gasoline tank, battery tucked in here, muffler there, little farmer flap right here, my favorite part. Here, little pressure gauge back there. Down here, I got 2 ports. The main port to feed the big hose, and then the smaller port, I bleed some air off of it because it makes too much air. Over here, same thing. No spark plug in the back cylinder, spark plug up here, air intake. This is just a braided hose there. It's high temperature at 500 degrees or 700 degrees or something. It's just stainless steel coupler, plain old pipe. This is a one-way valve, so air goes in but not out, and that's pretty much it. This is where I turn the fuel on and off right here. So the fuel is on right now, and we'll start her up. The air coming out. If I want to go pressure, obviously shut that off, pressure goes up. The conversion kit comes from South Carolina or North Carolina. A man started a company called Dunn-Right, D-U-N-N, right, and it makes 56 CFM at 100 PSI. It's excellent for sandblasting, which is what I do. Thank you, YouTube.